In this video, we're going to share some tips and show you how to enable battery protection on your Samsung Galaxy smartphones. Let's begin. If you intend to hold on to your smartphone for several years, then you'll want to protect the battery at all costs. Here are some quick tips for the same. Firstly, try to keep your phone between 50 and 80% charged, as depleting it completely or keeping it topped up all the time can decrease the battery's efficiency over time. Moving on, Samsung also has a nifty feature that can help with this. To access that, head over to Settings, then navigate to Battery, and inside the Battery menu, tap on Battery Protection. You can choose between Basic, Adaptive, or Maximum. The Basic mode is the default scenario for charging your Samsung devices. It is the most basic of the three modes. In Maximum mode, it will limit the maximum charge to 80%, thereby extending the life of your phone. This does mean permanently losing 20% per day, but try it out for a few days to see how severely it affects your battery usage. We advise using the adaptive option as it slowly learns your usage patterns and thereby charges the device according to that. Lastly, if you want to extend your battery life, then we advise going for wireless charging. Now, it is slow compared to wired charging, but it charges on a steady rate. Lithium-ion batteries definitely prefer a slow and steady input. Hopefully, these tips and tricks will help you enable battery protection on your Samsung Galaxy smartphones. For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech, and do not forget to delve into our other curated videos just for you.